welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with... Hi! This is probably the most exciting person I've ever had on my channel before, no offense to anyone else I've had on my channel. But as you can see, Reuben just snatched his face. Yeah, now I look like him, which that was twins. That was like Amy, we're like twins.
Identical?
Twins.
Hello.
Twins.
Twins.
So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching the video and you can see how Reuben did my makeup. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and go subscribe to Reuben's channel. I will link him in the description down below. And we also did a video over on Reuben's channel, which was the makeup roulette challenge.
Yes, it was a mess.
It was a mess. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching the video and let's go.
So we're going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Cashew today, and I'm just going to mix that around my hand and then start by putting it on Sophia's face. And then I'm just going to take a beauty blender and start blending that out. I'm just going to start buffing it in. And while we do this, I want to ask you, because obviously we've both been on Ellen, so what was like your time like? Because obviously, how many years ago was it now?
It was like a long time ago. Because the last time I went on there was like a few years ago. It was like 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
Yeah.
I looked a lot different.
Yeah.
I was younger.
By the time you got Swagways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the last time I went on there.
Yeah.
And then, wait, was it?
Yeah, I think so.
It was.
Because you've been on so many times.
And then the first time I went on there was like 6 years ago.
Yeah.
It was a long time ago. But it was really fun.
That was so fun with your cousin Rosie, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Wait, how old were you then, though?
I was 8, I think.
If you were 8, then I would have been... How old are you now?
I'm 14.
So I would have been like... I would have been either 6 or 7. Or 7. Oh my god, it's so good, honestly. You're really shocked. And we're not going to show you what you look like until the end.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But what I was going to show you is... The time, was it Salmon Cat?
Mm-hmm.
When did you do that? That must have been like the biggest.
I think I was like 11. That was
11.
like...
Really? Was it? Oh my god, was it only then? Because oh my god, my favourite episode was like the bingo one.
Oh yeah.
Wait, what was it like to film?
It was really fun.
Was it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's so nice.
Okay,
the whole thing smells like just this, and I got in my eyes yesterday as well. Someone's got in my eye now. Great. Okay, right, so I'm just gonna brush our brow hairs up. We don't want to do too much to your brows because I really like.
Wait, so are you still in primary school?
No! Oh my god, I'm in year 8! I'm not in primary school, that is so... Someone we know is in primary school.
No, just because like...
Okay, right, we're gonna move on to the eyes.
Oh my god, this is my favourite part.
Okay, right. We're going to be taking the Morphe palette, and I'm going to take, this is the 350 and I'm going to be taking the first shade, top left, and I'm just going to be starting building that crease. And just
when did you start doing makeup?
I started doing makeup, everyone asked me this, it's like 3-ish years ago, 3-4 years ago, and I
Was you as good as you are now?
No way, oh my god, it used to be awful. My eyeliner used to like touch my hair, like it was awful. So just with Kat Von D eyeliner, it's my fave. Because we just want a bit of definition, nothing too crazy for the lashes, but we just want a bit of base. We're going to be adding some lashes now, my favourite bit. And I bought these for you, and these are the tufty ones, my favourite. We're going to work out which style for you.
And they're marble.
Oh, I know, marble style. Hashtag.
I love that whole thing.
I know, it's so nice, honestly. They're like the most 3D kind of makeup ever. Okay, so like we're just gonna apply the lash now. I'm just gonna just start pushing it into the lash line. So like what I do, I push the glue on, so I leave that get tacky, blow it off, and then just like wait like 5 seconds and then put it back on again.
You're looking really blind. You're opening my eyes.
Oh. Then look like glam and goddess looking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a bit of like a peachy colour just on the eyelid because I'm gonna just glam. So look, okay. And now
Did you use that today for yourself?
Oh yes, all the time. And now I'm gonna go back to the face. So we're just gonna make sure there's no creases in the eyes. Look up. And we're just gonna go powder the eyes now. So
it was like I have
fringe. What? No. Oh, what with your lashes?
Like,
yeah. Okay, so look up.
I was like, do you know Jeffrey? And she's like, yeah. And I was like, oh, I really like his lipsticks and everything. She's like, oh, I'll get him to send you some and everything. And then, but he sent the whole collection.
No.
The whole collection in one box to my
Oh.
phone. And I was like,
Do you still have it?
I still have some of them, yeah.
Oh.
I gave some away to my family because obviously I'm not going to use like half of them.
Yeah.
Because they're like yellow
so
and
cool.
everything. But
Yeah.
oh yeah, I'll give you a just kidding. But then yeah, and then he sent me the beauty killer as well, the palette thing.
Because basically I want to like do something with Kim. She's going to do something with her. So cool. I want to do her makeup. I want to glam her up. I want to do things with YouTubers. So like James Charles, because he lives in downtown LA actually. I want to do things like Patrick Star, Gabriel, Nikita.
How about Bretman Rock?
Oh, Bretman Rock, of course, he's amazing. Does he live in LA though? I'm not sure if he lives in LA.
He lives in Hawaii, doesn't he?
No, I don't. Does he? I think he just lives.
to go to Hawaii.
He's not.
Oh,
I've never
no,
been to Hawaii.
I think I'll be okay. No, I want to go to Hawaii.
I've never. I want to go there so much because I've been to a lot of places in America, but I've never been there.
Oh no, I want to go to Hawaii. No, because apparently it's like, is it America?
It's America, yeah. It's one of the states.
What? Hawaii's a state of America? I thought it was in like Thailand or something. Okay, so we're gonna put some blush on you now.
Okay.
I'm just gonna add a nice peachy rose color, but I'm gonna actually take it from the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. And I'm just gonna take Eden.
I love this one here.
It's so soft. Oh, it's amazing. I'll show you.
It looks like it's almost. Oh, it has like a purple on it.
Yeah, it's like a purple. Like look at that reflex on that as well. The way like bouncing on it. And
Does it
then,
smell nice or does it not smell of anything? Because
like the Too Faced one.
yeah,
smells
oh my
so
God.
amazing.
No, yeah, I had the peach palette. I still have it.
Oh my God,
It's a
really?
green one.
Because the chocolate bar palette smells amazing.
I never had that. That came out a long time ago, didn't it?
Yeah,
But like
yeah.
I've never had it.
Oh, this shade looks
I have
really
one.
nice on you as a blush.
I don't usually wear blush.
No, I don't either. I started wearing it with this because it just blends into my
Yeah.
bronzer so nicely. Okay, so to finish off, we're going to be using MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, my favourite.
I have the rose one. I just ran out of it though.
Yeah, and it's we soak our skin in this. Okay, ready?
That's maybe why my makeup doesn't set because I spray it from this far
Oh,
away.
we make it like soaking wet and then I dry it.
I just don't know where my phone is. I'm literally concerned. I literally had it 1 second ago and now it's gone. Oh my God, he's put it in his pocket.
Well, I've just finished glamming Sophia Grace today. I loved it. You love it?
I am obsessed with it.
Good.
I haven't seen it yet, but I know it's gonna look amazing.
Okay, we're gonna reveal the final look now.
Oh my God.
Right? Yeah.
Looks so like, wow.
Beat along.
Yeah, I look like you. That was my goal to be. Wow, like this part right here.
Yeah, you like.
I can't do
Like
that.
the bronzing.
And I hope you enjoyed today's video where Reuben did my makeup,
Yes.
which was amazing. I was so excited about it. I still am excited. We're gonna take some pictures.
Yes,
We're
we
gonna take
are.
amazing pictures.
Yes.
We're gonna look amazing.
Yes.
It's gonna be great.
Yeah.
We also did a video on Reuben's channel, like I said at the start of the video, so go check that out. It's
Yeah.
in the description down below, and subscribe to my friend because he deserves it. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give the video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you want to see another collab from me and Reuben sometime.
Yes.
Because I think that would be a
Series.
great idea.
Yes.
We should have like a little kind of playlist on each of
Oh.
our channels.
Yes.
That would be fun. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed today's video, and thanks for watching. Bye.